Here are two supplements that can help you build muscle. First is protein powder. Kung nahihirapan ka i-hit yung protein intake mo, protein powder na yung para sa'yo. Most protein powders have 24 grams of protein and yung iba naman ay 27 grams. Yun ay nakadepende sa brand na pinagbilan mo. Make sure na sa trusted at kilalang brands kayo mag-invest para sigurado na quality protein ang iinumin nyo. Second on our list is creatine monohydrate. Matutulungan ka nito i-increase ang energy and strength during exercise. And it also helps to aid muscle for growth and improve your performance sa gym. It increases water retention sa muscle, kaya it will make your muscle look fuller. Isa ang creatine monohydrate sa most researched at widely used form of creatine supplement. Take 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily to improve your brain and gym performance. Pero remember na hindi pa rin napapalitan ng supplements ang maayos na diet. Kaya kung nahihirapan ka i-hit yung protein intake mo and gusto mong gumanda and mas speed up yung recovery, para sa itong dalawang supplements na to. Make sure to follow for more content like this.